Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see how can you fix your Optimum remote volume not working. So here's a guide for your audio, TV and device setup fix. Fix one, fix one Optimum Stream app setup. You need to press your home to open the menu, then go to settings, then select device and remote. Select remotes and accessories, then stream remote. Click change TV setup. Hold volume up until sound changes. Select yes to save. Fix 2 auto search pairing code. Turn your TV on, hold power and volume plus together. Release when the status light stays on. Press the number 1 key once. Hold power until the TV shuts off. Press select to lock the code. Fix 3 legacy cable box link. Hold TV power and cell together. Wait for the optimum button to flash twice. Press volume up to select TV audio. Watch for 2 flashes to confirm. Fix 4 unpair the Bluetooth connection. Hold mute and select for 5 seconds. Wait for the pairing light to blink. Release buttons to break the frozen link. Follow the on screen prompts to repair. Fix by remote hardware power drain. Remove both AAA batteries completely. Hold power for 20 seconds. Press every button to free stuck keys. Clean the metal contacts with rubbing alcohol. Insert brand new batteries into the remote. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and also do subscribe to this channel.